we're still walking. We're walking in the desert, as you can see. We're gonna go on this. Oh man!
I got my license. Wait, someone's calling me. Oh shit! Hello? Yes.
No talking and driving at the same time. Whatever.
Walkie, you got it fast. Hold on. Did you put your age as 22?
What?
Is your age 22?
I don't remember.
She doesn't remember probably.
There's a picture of us.
There's a picture of us.
That was not cool. You don't know how to drive. What did you drop? Oh. That was my butt.
Okay then we'll do it later, okay? Forget about it. Okay?
Oh, that looks like a car.
Let's go home.
No. Yo, you guys trying to tell. Watch out for the hole. Ready? They're like looking at us like if we're crazy. Oh my god.
Hey, right now let's do races over there in the parking lot.
Okay, stop right here.
Get on.
Say bye.
Goodbye.
Peace.